Thank you so much for being here with us today. Anniversaries are usually about looking back at memories, milestones, and moments that have shaped us. But today, for us, it is also about looking forward, about what we choose to stand for as we continue to grow together. When we began this journey as partners, we promised each other love, patience, support. Over time, we've come to realize that love becomes deeper and more meaningful when it extends beyond just the two of us. When it touches lives, creates security, and opens doors for others. As I look around this room today, it doesn't feel like I'm standing on a stage. It feels like I'm standing among stories, among families, among women who have lived life with quiet courage and strength. When Jeet and I were preparing for our own wedding, everything around us felt secure. We were surrounded by people who guided us, supported us, and reassured us that everything would be okay. And in the middle of all that happiness, one simple thought stayed with us. Is this the same sense of security available to every woman when she begins her married life, especially for Divyang young women who already navigate life with immense strength and determination, yet often carry unspoken worries? Worries about independence, about dignity, about what the future holds. અમને આ વિચાર ઘણો સ્પર્શી ગયો અને આ વિચાર દયામતી નથી આવ્યો. આ વિચાર રિસ્પેક્ટમાંથી આવ્યો. Respect for the strength it takes to show up every single day. And from that feeling, Mangal Seva was born.
In recent years, our country has taken an important step by changing how we look at disability, by recognizing Divyangjan not through limitation, but through strength and capability. This thinking has been strongly encouraged by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, through initiatives that focus on dignity, inclusion, and empowerment rather than sympathy. That philosophy resonated deeply with us. So, like Diva was saying, all of this began with a belief. A belief that marriage should not begin with fear, a belief that support should never feel like dependence, and a belief that dignity is not something to be earned, it is something everyone deserves. When we spoke to families, we realized that for many Divyangjan women, marriage can be joyful and meaningful, but it can also bring anxiety about finance, health, and long-term security. So we felt very strongly that if we were going to do something, it had to reduce that anxiety sustainably, not add to it. So every year we decided 500 Divyangjan women who are getting married will receive an FD of 10 lakh rupees created in her own name. The interest from this deposit will support her every year, and after 10 years, the full amount belongs to her. But this FD is not just money, it is reassurance, it is choice, it is a safety net that allows a woman to plan her life with confidence. Very early on, we realized something very important. Mangal Seva is not about giving, it is about standing beside.
I remember meeting a young woman with a physical disability who was about to get married. She didn't talk about celebration, she spoke about worries. What if I fall sick? What if there's an emergency? What if I become a burden? When she heard that there was a fixed deposit in her own name, she went quiet for a moment and then said, "Have mane thodu halku lage chhe." That sentence stayed with me because that is what security truly does. It makes you feel lighter inside, That moment taught us something profound. Real empowerment is not loud, it doesn't announce itself, it quietly changes how someone looks at tomorrow. Money alone does not empower. What empowers is the confidence that comes from knowing you have support without having to ask for it.
Another woman we met was hearing impaired. After marriage, she was worried that she would always be seen as someone who needed help. Over time, over the last year, the interest she received and she planned for, she began contributing at home and started planning her child's future. One day she told us, પહેલા લોકો મારી બહુ ચિંતા કરતા હતા. હવે લોકો મારી વાત સાંભળવા માંગે છે. And that shift from being worried about to being listened to changes how a person sees herself. That is the heart of Mangal Seva. And these stories are the reason we will continue this journey. Yes, 500 women have been supported this year, but numbers don't capture how we feel. What moves us is seeing this fear turn into confidence, seeing this silence turn into voice, and seeing someone plan for the future without any hesitation. આ અનુભવ અમને યાદ આપે છે કે ઇન્ક્લુઝન ત્યારે જ સાચું હોય જ્યારે અંદરથી સ્ટ્રોંગ બનાવે. And one meeting that I will always remember was with a woman who used part of this income to join a skill development course. She smiled and said, 10 વર્ષ પછી પૈસા મચ્યોર થશે, પણ મને આજે જ લાગે છે કે હું મારી લાઈફ કંટ્રોલમાં લઈ લઉં. She wasn't waiting anymore. She had started believing in herself. That belief is powerful. Mangal Seva has taught all of us that sometimes the greatest support is the one that stays quietly in the background, steady, dependable, and respectful. This journey would not have been possible without the entire Adani Foundation team, our partners, and the families who trusted us. For us, this is not something that we complete and move on from. It is a responsibility we carry forward. The Mangal Seva family is our extended family and we hope it grows year after year. અમે ઈચ્છા રાખીએ છીએ કે મંગલ સેવા આગળ વધે, નંબરમાં નહીં પણ અર્થમાં. કારણ કે જ્યારે એક સ્ત્રી સિક્યોર ફીલ કરે છે ત્યારે એ પોતા માટે જ નહીં, એ પોતાની ફેમિલી, એની સંતાનો અને એની આસપાસની દુનિયા માટે સ્ટ્રોંગ બને છે. આપ સૌએ અમારા ઉપર વિશ્વાસ મૂકીને અને અમારી આ ભેટ સ્વીકારી છે, એના માટે અમે બેઉ દિલથી આપ સૌને આભાર માનીએ છીએ. અને હું આજે ખૂબ સ્પષ્ટ રીતે કહેવા માંગુ છું, આપ સૌ હવે એકલા નથી.
અદાની ફાઉન્ડેશનનો મજબૂત આધાર આપની સાથે છે અને હંમેશા રહેશે. Mangal Seva is built on belief. Belief is the strength of Divyangjang. Belief that security should last. Belief that dignity should never depend on circumstances. આ ઇનિશિયેટિવ તમારું છે. તમારી કહાનીઓ અને તમારો વિશ્વાસ એને વિના આ સફર સંભવ નથી. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for allowing us to walk this journey with you. Thank you for reminding us that the most meaningful change often happens quietly, with heart. And thank you.
And last but not the least,
And thank you to our parents, mom and dad, for giving us the inspiration to embark on this journey of change.
Jai Hind.